Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, My Budgie Aviary Birds. If I can keep budgies, you can keep budgies. Now let's go and take a look at what we're doing today.
Well guys, today we're off to pick up 4 budgies. I'm looking for 2 pairs of breeding budgies, hopefully that they'll be in condition. Let's see what we end up getting. Been meaning to do this for a week or 2, but I didn't really want to go out unless I needed to, and I needed to pick up some essential supplies for my birds. So I felt combining the both things was then a legitimate thing to be able to do, because in the UK here we're still in lockdown, I'm afraid, so we're only allowed to go out for essential journeys, and we are allowed to go out and get stuff for our animals and pets and that. So we thought we'd combine the 2 things today. So we're going to a place called Animal Magic. Been there before, got plenty of stuff, and as you can see, look at some lovely budgies. They've got quite a few budgies there, and yeah, it was really great to go there and pick out 4 budgies, so very pleased. And here we are back home, back in the cages. Obviously they have to go into quarantine first. We'd normally put my birds, any new birds would go into quarantine for 4 weeks normally, and yeah, got some really beautiful ones here. I mean, this lovely grey one, I think he could be a show budgie. So, but anyway, so I hope you enjoy the video.
And well, today is a big day. We've finally gone and bought some more budgies. Bought 2 pairs, and I think they're absolutely lovely budgies. So let's go and take a look, shall we? Here we go. And look at that. There we are. Very good. I'm trying to not disturb them too much. What a lovely pair of budgies. And these were in the pet shop. We had to go up and get some food, and just fell in love with these little chaps. They were in the shop. They're obviously they're sort of paired up together, and already in breeding condition by the looks, so that's quite fun. Obviously I would have had to quarantine them anyway, so they've gone straight into these breeding boxes or cages, and well, let's see what happens. And on to the second pair. Here we go. Trying to not scare them. And here we go, look. Oh, look at him. What a beautiful bird. What a beautiful bird. Look at him. Got a big head, look at them lovely feathers. Oh, there we are, look at it. He is, well, he could be a show bird. He really could. And that's his mate. And again, in the pet shop, they're already paired up together, so I didn't want to split them up. And again, here we are in the quarantine, but again, as you saw, they're both in breeding condition, so they'll have to stay in here for at least a month anyway. I'll try and keep them separated for a month, and we'll see if they we end up with any little babies. Fantastic. Very pleased. Very pleased. Again, here we've got few things we've got in the cage. We've obviously got their water, we've got their grip, we've got their iodine block, some cuttlefish, cuttlebone I should say, and I've just fed them, or put some food in there, and we'll see how they go. And the same for these down here. I like to try and keep everything the same, so the grip all one side. But this one does have a bird feeder in there. I'd like to get another one of them. They always seem to go down quite well, the budgies. Water, but I've put the iodine block this side. But I'd like to keep everything looking about the same. So yeah, very pleased, very pleased. So yeah, have a couple of minutes of looking in here, shall we? Just having their breakfast. Anyway, thanks for joining me guys, and see you again soon. Take care.